section. So see here, we were solving question example 3, है ना? So here we have to show the relation. As here the relation is given, R equal to L1 L2, है ना? Such that L1 is perpendicular to L2. This relation is given. We have to show this. कि this relation is what we have to show. This relation is. Tell me.
This relation should be.
It is symmetric but not reflexive and transitive, है ना? Yes. So first we will show for reflexive light, है ना? First we will show for reflexive. So here we will write reflexive. Okay, here we will write reflexive, and what we will here write कि here it is not possible, it is not possible what so the L1 is, it is not possible that L1 is perpendicular to its self, है ना? Its self, right? So here what we will write कि therefore L1 है ना? L1 doesn't belongs to R, right? Suppose there is a line, this line is L1, okay? So can this line be perpendicular to itself? Can this line be perpendicular to itself? Perpendicular means कि when two lines will be perpendicular, then they will make 90-degree angle, है ना? So can this line make 90-degree with itself? Is it possible? No, right? So here we will say कि L1 is not perpendicular to itself. It is not possible, है ना? This is not possible that कि L1 is perpendicular to itself. Therefore L1 है ना? The element with itself doesn't belongs with this relation. It will not satisfy this relation. Therefore it is not reflexive, है ना? So here we have solved for reflexive. Okay, now we will do for symmetric, right? Now we will do for symmetric, है ना? So here what we will write कि here, yes, tell me. L1 is, है ना? L1 is perpendicular to L2. Also L2 is perpendicular to L1, right? है ना? So here we can say that कि suppose this is line L1 and this is L2. Okay, this line is L2. Okay, this is L2 line. So as you can see here, L2 is perpendicular to L1, है ना? It's mean L2 make 90-degree with L1, and we can also say that कि L1 is also making 90-degree with L2, है ना? So that's why here therefore what we can say that कि L1 L2 belongs to R. It's mean this satisfy the relation. It will be the element of this relation, right? And also L2 L1 will be belongs to R, right? है ना? Is it clear? So therefore it is symmetric. Okay, is it clear? Now we will check for tell me. Transitive, है ना? Now we will check for transitive. Okay, so what here we have to take total 3 lines, है ना? Yes, है ना? Here L1 is parallel to L2, L2 is parallel to L3, but हाँ, है ना? कि but it is not possible possible that L1 is perpendicular to L3. Okay, see here, this is L1 line, this is L2 line. Suppose take another line L3 which is perpendicular to L2, है ना, which is perpendicular to L2. This line, the above line is horizontal line, is L3 line which makes 90 degree with L2. As you can see here, है ना, L1 make 90 degree with L2, L2 make 90 degree with L3, है ना. So L1 is perpendicular L2, L2 is perpendicular to L3, but as you can see here, L1 will be not perpendicular to L3, है ना, they will be a parallel line. Okay, right? So here we can say that, what we can say that, कि therefore L1 L2 belongs to R, L2 L3 belongs to R, but L1 L3 doesn't belongs to R, so it is not symmetric. Okay, is it clear, है ना? Sorry, transitive. So it is not transitive. Okay, is it clear? So here in the last you can write कि hence R is symmetric but not neither reflexive nor transitive proved. Okay, if you want to write that line, you can write it कि hence R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive proved. Okay, is it clear? So if you want to write it, you can note down.